What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be going over how to download and install Python for Windows. I'm on Windows 10. So I'm going to open up a browser, and you can use any browser, by the way. I just use Brave. So this is, I'm going to go to, just type in download Python for Windows 10. And we'll give that a second. I am on a virtual machine, so the internet's not exactly the fastest. But we do want to do download Python from python.org /downloads. And I'll do download Python 11.3, which is just the latest version. I just recommend always getting the latest version. So download Python, and I'll just stick this into the downloads folder. That's fine. And you'll see that it is downloading. Once the download's finished, you should be able to click the AMD, Python 3.11.3 .exe. And if you don't see it in your browser, then you should see it in File Explorer, wherever you installed it to, or downloaded it to. So if it's in your downloads folder, opened up two windows here for some reason. Alright. So just double click that exe to run the executable. I highly recommend you do the custom installation, and then this is also crucial. Make sure to add the python.exe to path. That adds it as an environment variable, and that's going to make your life a whole lot easier when you go to write your first program with Python and you try to run it. So make sure to do that. Check that box. If you do nothing else from this video, check that box. I want to do customized installation, and I would just leave all of these checked. You could do it for all users. That's probably not a bad thing. Yeah, I'm just going to go with that right there and install. And give it admin permission. This is the Python. It's licensed by Python. If you ever get a download that's not, like, there isn't a verified publisher, then it's definitely a little suspicious. But the fact that this is licensed by Python, you have it's a much more secure feeling when you go to install something and it's a verified publisher. So yeah, I'll just let this install process go, and I'll just go ahead and cut this video and come back once it's done. Alright, so the setup was successful. Probably took about 5 minutes start to finish. So I want to click close here. At this point we should have Python. So the way to check this is to go to the terminal. On Windows it's command prompt. So open up the command prompt. And there's one simple command that'll tell us pretty much if we have Python. If you just type Python --version, this prints out Python 3.11.3, which means our install was successful. If you got something like Python is an unrecognizable command, then you most likely didn't check the box that added Python to the path variable, environment variable. So if you didn't do that, then I'd most likely just go back through the install and make sure to check that box. But at this point, we're good to go. So yeah, we now have Python. Congratulations. I really can't thank you enough for watching my video. I hope that you successfully installed Python and you're now ready to rock and roll with some fresh Python code. But once again, thanks so much, and if you're interested, I do have a Discord. The link is in the description, 100% free and 100% up to you to join. Thanks again.